Hi there, welcome to my channel, it's Diana. The esoteric nature of places that includes roads, streets, towns, cities, or a country. Now remember above all that we live on an organic earth, which means that the things we all say and do, they all have ripple effects within this living organism and affects it according to our words, thoughts, actions, and deeds. Ask yourself this question: what vibrations are you picking up each time you walk down a road or go into a town, whether it be your own local town or one further away or even another country? All locations create fields of energy or energetic vibrations, frequency patterns, a life force, in other words. It would be good to learn your location, as you are walking, talking, living, and breathing it every day. Really take time to feel what you are experiencing in the moment. Bear in mind that as we all communicate and understand each other through the medium of language, and this language uses words, and that all letters in the English alphabet are ruled by heavenly entities we call planets. This is very important to remember, so I will repeat it, that all letters in the English alphabet are ruled by the heavenly entities we call planets. Therefore, each word or name is an amalgam of various planetary deities, or rulers would be a better word, rulers. Now, how complex and amazing is this? So let's take the town of Brixton, for example. What is the energetic vibration of Brixton? It's this: Brixton shares energies with the moon, the sun, Uranus, and Mercury. But Brixton is in the city of London, and London is in the country of England, and so on. Therefore, England, for example, is the overall boss here. And England rulers are Mercury, Jupiter, the Sun, and Uranus. So, as I said, England is the overall boss, then London, then Brixton, then the name of your road or street, and so on. So, if you think of a board of members, and there are like the hierarchies there, right? On that board, you've got the director, the chairman or chairwoman, and so on. Then, this is a close analogy of what is in terms of place names and how they are influenced by and controlled by their planetary shared rulerships. And as I said before, your own name included. So to recap, it means that yeah, there's not just one planetary ruler that is connected to this one name of Brixton, but multiple, and they all come like the town, the streets, the roads. They all come under the roof of the country. In this case, it's England. This is just a taste. That it goes really deep, and it's about time that people really are aware of how much we are ruled by these planetary deities, not just or birthday as in astrology. Anyway, if you like what you heard, um, please subscribe, share, and like. And if you would like me to touch on this a little bit further, talk about the place where you live, just comment me, okay? Put your questions in the comment section. So thank you, Diana, and it's Sunday, the 22nd of January, 2023, 9:01 p.m.